asking.
What?
Is there something I can help y'all with?
No, we didn't ask for no help.
Okay, well, you're on private property. I was just curious.
Really?
Yeah.
Is that okay to park here?
No, it's not. It's not a parking space. Let me call the Apex Police and see if they'll come.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah.
I think you need to learn where your property lines are at, though.
Well, no, it's just we're a hazardous materials facility. So
I know
we're
what you are.
required
I can see the gas
yeah,
tank.
we're required by the federal government anytime somebody's on our property to see what they're
Well,
doing.
that's the thing. We're not on your property. So what applies to being off of your property? No comment. That's what I thought.
Now, this is the reason why these type of videos explode and go viral all over the internet and on YouTube especially because of entitled Karens, just like the one you just saw here in this intro clip. Now, today we're going to take a look at NC Tyrant Hunter, one of the old schools in the 1A community, guys. And I know most of you are probably subscribed to him already, but I know a lot of you that are going to watch this are not, which is why I'm definitely going to drop his channel link in the description below so you can go check him out and subscribe. Now, this video is going to be very fun to watch. Not only is it fun to watch Karens and cops get put in their place, but they're very educational as well. Now, with that being said, guys, pop your popcorns and roll one up.
Well, you need to get your ass and go somewhere else.
Make me go somewhere else, big dog.
I can't.
Come on.
I can't whoop your ass like it needs to be.
Yeah, I know you can't.
Yeah.
Good luck with that one.
You'll be grinning at me while I'm on the inside.
Yeah. It's always a prick in the bunch.
Yeah.
Found mine.
Yeah. So y'all boys, y'all don't know how it is to grow up in the country.
Yeah, I've been in the country all my life, dude.
Been in the country.
Oh yeah.
You, right around out here.
Yeah.
You ain't been off down yonder somewhere or another and had to work and
Okay.
worry about other people
Okay.
trying to get something for you. Keep on talking.
I am. I'm a free American. I can talk when I get ready. And you can't do nothing about it.
Oh, I ain't baby. I just no, I
Ain't gonna whoop that old man's ass.
Now, honestly, it's okay to be ignorant on your freedom. Not everybody knows their rights, and this is why these videos get posted for educational purposes. And I know some people are curious when they see people out there recording in public, but come on, I always say this, guys. There's a way to approach people, and there's no need to be rude just because you have a camera and you're recording. I mean, I just don't get that. Just seriously. This is why people get what they give.
That's a super duper too. Supervisor.
How you doing, gentlemen?
What's up, man?
Beautiful today. Oh, it is. Oh, what brings you all out here?
Just doing some recording.
Okay, what are you recording exactly?
Well, you at the moment, we was recording everything we can see.
Okay. There's a demand
What's your
for
name?
video, and we try to collect as much video as we can.
Burrow, is that how you pronounce that?
It's Barrow.
Huh?
Barrow.
Barrow?
Yeah.
You got a number?
Huh?
You got a number?
What
Badge
kind of
number? ID
we don't
number?
have badge number.
call number.
Huh?
Your
166.
I'm trying to figure out like what's going on there.
What's to figure out, dude? We just told you we was filming.
Okay.
What else is to figure out?
Well, I'm just asking you what for. That's all.
There's a
Well,
high demand for video.
that's our information.
who?
We don't we're not privy to share that information with you.
Yeah,
Okay.
we can't really say.
Why is that?
Why would we?
I don't know. Just general conversation.
Well, I'm not having a cordial conversation with you right now.
All right. All right.
I
You
try
gentlemen
to anyway.
You gentlemen have ID on you at all?
Absolutely, we got ID.
Okay. Can I take a look at it?
Absolutely not.
So I can't know who I'm talking to?
Nope.
Now, this type of strategy that this cop is using is what kind of ticks me off because this cop is aware and knows that these gentlemen are all within their rights to record in public and exactly where they're at, but this cop still attempts to try to ask for their identification, knowing is a Fourth Amendment violation. As nice as he's speaking and he's trying to be cordial, that doesn't make him a good cop, not a good look. That's just in my book. What's your opinion on that?
Why is that?
Address me by good citizen.
Good citizen.
Absolutely.
All right.
I've already called the FBI field office.
Okay. Okay. All right. Is this your all's vehicle right there?
Yep.
Okay. All right. So, I mean, obviously you realize you're not in recording.
Can't hear nothing you say, man.
Okay.
Sound like there's a choo-choo train going by.
Anyway, let's run the trains out here.
Under the Homeland Security Act, we fall under the chemical security, and no one's allowed to film on our property.
Ain't allowed to film at their property.
Listen, don't instigate.
I'm not. Who's instigating? I'm just walking around like a free American, dude.
Okay.
Stop trying to trouble. All right, stop. You stop trying to escalate.
No, we're not doing that.
Stop trying to escalate. All we doing is walking around like free Americans. We able to do that. We are free Americans. There ain't nothing against the law that we're doing.
Guys, absolutely.
All right.
I believe in the
Then stop.
Constitution, too.
Then stop there.
Okay. I don't know. I'm not sure why you're hostile.
I'm not. Who's hostile? I'm telling you to stop instigating yourself because I won't do it but walking.
Well, it's unfortunate you feel instigation's occurring, okay?
Well, same with you. How about
I'm a very
that?
non-confrontational individual.
I'm not trying to be confrontational.
I live and let live, so.
I'm not trying to be confrontational.
Okay.
I'm a law-abiding citizen.
Okay, would you do me a favor? Can you do me a favor?
Have you ever done me one?
Huh?
Have you ever done anybody a favor?
Can you just be like civil with me? Because you said you're a good citizen, right?
I'm absolutely.
Okay.
I'm a law-abiding
Can you
citizen.
do me a favor? And be a
I
good-
don't break the law.
Okay, can you be a good citizen and show a little respect towards her so I can talk to her?
Yup, man, it's a free country here,
Okay.
right?
All right, I'm just asking if you would show the same respect to somebody else that you would want. That's all.
I don't mind if somebody talks beside me, man.
Well, people are different.
But you already know you should. There's no expectation of privacy when you're in public, right?
Okay, I'm not asking for privacy.
Do you understand
I'm
that?
asking for respect to another.
Respect. I hadn't
another good
disrespected
citizen.
her.
Okay,
Not one bit.
I didn't say you did. I'm asking if you will show her the respect of giving her a moment to talk to me.
Why would I not do that now?
Okay,
Because
I
I
appreciate
hadn't
that.
disrespected her
Okay.
yet.
Thank you.
There you go. The unlawful directives, the unnecessary directives. Just because these cops, they want to feel like they have this power over we the people. They always try to get the last word in, and it's all about control. Not once was NC Tyrant Hunter disrespectful in any type of way to this lady at all. So that was uncalled for in my book. That's just to tell you that this cop likes to be in control all the time, just by the way he's speaking. And the reason why he's trying to be cordial is because he knows that these cameramen are First Amendment auditors. So he knows not to cross that line, guys.
And that's a supervisor, so he should know.
How's it going, guys?
What's up? Can I get your name and car number? You got what, 324?
324, yep. Officer Myers.
Myers. What's up, Myers?
What's going on, man? What's your name?
Good citizen.
Citizen. All right, okay.
Yeah, man.
That's fine. How are you doing today?
I'm great. I'm enjoying this beautiful day as a free American.
I'm gonna go back up north.
I know, right? Man, 2 minutes, dude. That was like, what the freak?
He was probably at the police department. They've been doing some vehicle stuff over there. So,
Right.
so are you guys from the area or?
Yeah, we're not gonna tell you where we at, man. Come on. Stop fishing.
No, I'm just trying to get to know you a little bit.
No, no, we're
just filming.
We're
Yeah, no,
law-abiding,
somebody
we're
call us,
law-abiding
so-
citizens. This young lady here thinks that we will, you know, she's got some kind of obligation to call the police when we just out here enjoying this beautiful day.
Hey, officer, these guys don't need to be smoking within 25 feet of this fence.
25 feet of fence.
25 feet of the fence.
I'm on public property, man. I can do about what I want to.
You see what's right there,
I
right?
see it. If you got a
You're
leak that
a pretty
bad,
intelligent guy to be smoking.
hey,
right
if you
there.
got a leak that bad, you need to go fix it.
Well, you still don't need to be smoking here.
Sign right here says no smoking.
I mean,
That
you
sign
want to flip
don't-
your video camera around and
That
check
sign
that out?
don't bother me none, Bo.
You know, is it no smoking past the fence line? Because obviously once they're on public street, they're on public street. So, yeah, can you just do me a favor, just step on the street. That way, both sides are happy. We're not, you know, that way they're
There's
good,
a-
we're good, I'm good.
There's an easement here too.
Yeah, you're
so-
good. Just, you know, I don't want this to be the last moment, right?
No, you good, man. I'm almost done with this smoke anyway.
All right. Just make sure you don't throw it on the ground for me.
Now that was good. Good job by NC Tyrant Hunter putting the Tyrant in his place about the smoking situation. I think it was pretty pathetic.
We can go.
I'm good. I'm good, man.
We're not detained for nothing.
Nope, you guys are free to leave.
Yep, free to stay. I'm not leaving just because they pulled up. I mean, that'd be crazy.
What's the beef?
Ain't got no beef. Who said I had a beef?
Just because we're filming.
Well, there's got to be a purpose.
We just out here recording, man. We free Americans. We can do what we want.
I'm not arguing that.
Okay, well, that's it. That's it, man.
All right, gentlemen.
Y'all want to move in the shade a little bit?
I don't know. As long as you get my good side.
Right.
All right.
If you got a bad side, that ain't good, man.
I don't know.
Side that shows me a little bit more slimming.
Right.
All right. So, listen, do us a favor. You don't owe me a favor. I'm not asking you
man.
for a favor.
If you,
All right, I'm
but
just
you
asking
keep
you to
asking
listen.
it though. You
Okay.
keep saying, "Do me a favor."
You said you were a good citizen, so I'm going to take you on that word. Okay?
We haven't. I don't break the
Okay.
law.
Okay, good. Good. Let me just. I appreciate you being a good citizen, and being a good citizen, I'm going to ask you if you'll stay off their property.
We
This
haven't
is
been.
the-
Stop.
okay.
Stop. Don't get us directions.
okay, let me talk to you,
We're
sir.
grown.
Let me talk to you,
We're
sir.
grown. Listen,
All right.
we're two grown men though.
Okay.
Why would you give us directives? We know not to go on
Okay.
the property because we hadn't been
Okay.
on there yet,
All
right?
I'm asking you.
There he goes again. Come on now, officer. It's getting old and very annoying. Stop with the unlawful directives. Come on now. It's pretty pathetic. These men are probably older than you. Now, let's go over to the next encounter here, guys. It's another one that I added to this video. If you reached this far into the video and you haven't pushed the like button yet or subscribe, what are you waiting for? Do it right now, guys. Believe me, you won't be disappointed and you will be satisfied. Let's keep watching.
Same thing I'm doing.
There you go.
You're on private property.
Really?
Yeah.
How you figure that?
Because I own it.
Where's your property line at? Do you know that?
Yeah, I do.
Where's it at?
It's about 2 feet in front of that road. Inside that road.
You know, people got to have access to walk, right?
There ain't no sidewalks here. This ain't no neighborhood.
Exactly. So where am I supposed to walk? Can't walk in the road, can I? Right? Right? I mean, is that right? I mean, I'm not supposed. I can't walk in the road.
answer your stupid questions, buddy.
Huh? What's stupid about that? I can't walk in the road. Not legally. Ooh, now you're gonna get my tag. Well, I'm scared now. Well, you scared me now, man. I'm telling you. Scare me. Woo! Shut my door. Yeah.
How you doing? What's going on here today?
Huh?
Y'all call?
No, I didn't call.
Okay.
No, I'm good, man.
What y'all doing out here recording?
Enjoying this beautiful day, bud. What's your name?
Joiner.
I can't.
Officer Joiner.
You got a number?
1208.
1208. Say it proud next time, Joiner.
The sun is in the wrong position.
Is there a particular reason why y'all are recording?
Yep.
Why?
We're not going to disclose that, man. The story ain't done yet. We're just doing a story. That's
Story.
it.
What's the story about?
Can't tell you.
Can't tell me. Okay. What company?
Story's
y'all
not
work for?
done yet.
Or, I mean, who do y'all work for?
Ourselves.
Yourself?
Ooh.
You're not allowed to block their interests. So they
Nobody's
can come in
blocking
and
it.
out.
Nobody's blocking it.
Okay.
Yeah, we know what we're doing.
All right. Well,
Yeah, don't get no directives, man. We ain't doing nothing wrong. Yeah, go back to work. Kick rocks.
I'm not through yet.
Kick rocks. Yeah, tase me. See what happens. Yeah.
What are you up to?
A little filming, man.
A little filming? For who?
Who are you? Jeremy Wall?
Yes, I am.
Yeah. Jeffrey Langley.
Yes.
Right on.
We're gonna have to ask you guys to move off the company property, please, okay?
This company property right here?
It is.
Is it really?
Yes, it is.
Okay. So you own the side of the road? Is that what you're saying?
I'm gonna ask you to move off of company property back to the other side of the road, please, okay? Who
On
are
the
you
other
filming
side
for?
of the
You got a
road.
shirt that says press on. Who are you filming for?
Me.
For you. Okay.
Yep.
If you would move across the highway, and I want you to know that I'm going to call law enforcement to come down.
That's fine,
and
man.
talk to you guys.
Do what
okay.
you gotta do,
Appreciate it. Go ahead and move across to the other side.
I believe I'll stay right here.
Stand right there. Law enforcement's on its way.
All right.
What are you guys out here doing today?
Do a little filming.
Are y'all with the First Amendment or Second Amendment? Yeah, First Amendment.
Well, we just go out and record.
Okay. What we have here is obviously we're at a nuclear plant. Obviously, it's,
Obviously.
a little bit of terrorist stuff going on.
Not
From you guys.
Not
or
with
anything.
cameras, though, right?
Not with cameras.
You're right.
But this is Duke Energy property, and
You pull your camera now. I want to get a picture of you.
Yeah.
is,
Okay. Good luck with that.
this is obviously.
I got GIS. We looked at GIS survey, and this is not their property right here.
This is
Okay.
state right away.
Yep.
Okay.
And you know that, man. They know that.
Okay.
It's about 120 feet all the way across.
All right. Well, being how it's a security threat, obviously, we're at a nuclear facility, right?
Oh, it's not a security threat.
We can't get nowhere near that plant, man.
See
And-
that car right there going by?
Yeah. What are we doing that Google hadn't done already? Really?
You have
Think
a
about
point.
it. Yeah.
I understand.
Right.
But now that my security guards out here are on a little bit of a higher alert, if you will. You understand where I'm coming from?
I get what you're saying. We're not out here hiding.
And
get what I'm saying?
I appreciate that.
Yeah, I mean, we're not hiding. We didn't run when they said they was going to call the sheriff. We didn't run.
Right.
We know our rights,
The property line is about where that
and we know
the orange
that
post is.
we
Yes, sir.
within our rights to stand right here.
and we're
All
not
right,
hurting
well,
anybody.
The only thing I can tell you is be vigilant.
Oh, we got you, baby.
I don't want
We've
you to
done
get
this.
ran over.
We've
You
done
feel
this
me?
before. Yep, I got you,
Okay.
man. I appreciate that.
All right.
You got a card I can get?
I do not. Well, it's in my patrol car. I
Can you
go
get me one? I'd
Yes,
appreciate
sir.
that.
Moore, Keystone Moore.
A K9.
Yes, sir. I'm a canine handler.
I got you.
Sergeant.
What's your K9's name?
Jax.
Jax?
Yes, sir.
Awesome, man.
I'm gonna go talk to my security guys real quick.
Right on, my man.
I hope you guys have a good day.
Yep.
Yes, sir.
They know this ain't their property, man. They just trying to push their authority. That's all they doing. They know, man. I mean, come on.
I just,
No,
I
I got you, baby.
I
I got.
It's a little weird.
Yeah, I get that. But and I'm gonna use y'all's terminology. Y'all's meaning law enforcement.
Yes, sir.
This day and age,
Yes, sir.
right? Cameras are everywhere. They got a camera right there.
You're right. They do.
It makes it get better. They can do it and we can't. You understand what I'm saying?
I understand.
We at the road. We on the right of way.
Right.
We can't get nowhere close to that plant. We got no ill will, no ill intent at all. Okay.
Yes, sir. Everything's fine.
Yep. We good, man.
Do you guys have an ID so I can?
We're not gonna do that. You know better than that, man. Come on. A good try though.
That's all I can do,
You
right?
can always ask.
I can always ask.
Yeah, that's
We
right.
get your ID.
That's right.
Yeah, my ID,
I'm talking
right?
about your driver's license.
No offense, but my home address is on there.
Yeah, well, ours is too. See?
I understand. So I'll be back with you guys in just
Yeah,
a
if
few
you can
minutes,
get me a
okay?
card before you take off.
Yes, sir.
Great. Thank you, man.
There you go again, and it never fails, ladies and gentlemen. No matter what, they always have to ask for that ID to get that daily fix. Pretty pathetic. Let me know what your thoughts are about this video. Thanks again for your support and for watching this all the way to the very end, guys. Remember to drop your thoughts in the comment section about this video. Subscribe to NC Tyrant Hunter and also Carolina Auditor. He is also another one that does great work. They always go out together and they both do fabulous work together. Thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll see you on the next video and in the comment section to the next one.